Hey, what's going on, guys? What we are going to be making today is a Ferel cat house for the winter. I'm using this tote, and I'm going to insulate it with this insulation, I guess you call it like paper insulation, I guess like foam. And I got 2 rolls I had to order from Home Depot for 21 bucks. I'm going to tape it to the walls, and I do have a thermal blanket I got from Amazon, like a pet mat to retain the cat's heat. I'm going to cut a hole on the side to use the bottom of the bucket. So we're going to do that, and we're going to put this together, and hopefully the kitty, you know, will stay warm. It's an outside cat. We call her Miss Kitty, and sorry about the noise, and hopefully this will help her out in the winter. What we're going to do is we're going to you want to do it like kind of long ways so the cat can go in there and hide. So you want to like have some kind of hole, and we're going to do it a couple inches off the bottom. So I mean, it's going to be under a deck, but there shouldn't be any snow or rain that's going to get into this. So we're just going to take a Sharpie, and we're going to cut this, chase this around the best we can as this just moved. And then we're going to take our jigsaw and we're going to cut this out. And then so Kitty doesn't get cut, we're going to duct tape the sides with some duct tape over the hole so she don't get cut. I got a big drill bit. I'm just making a pilot hole to start my jigsaw. I fell out. All right, give me a second. We're gonna use these Diablo wood and metal jigsaw blade set. I got this on a Black Friday sale, Home Depot, like $12.99. So this is like a general purpose blade. So we're gonna put this in our Ryobi jigsaw here. That in there. Take the battery from the drill. I know it's a little cold out with the wind. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. We got a hole for Kitty. It is a little sharp, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the duct tape and we're gonna do the sides. Cut pieces off. Give me a second. What we're doing is we're taking little pieces and we're just going to do the edges so Kitty doesn't get cut. So now it's nice and safe. She won't get cut. All right, let me finish this up and then we'll go to the next step. All right, I put duct tape all along the edges, you can see. So now it's safe. So when Miss Kitty goes hopefully inside, she won't get cut. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna line the inside with this stuff. I'm gonna cut it and duct tape the sides and duct tape it to the bottom. I'll show you when I'm done. Sorry about the glare. What I did was I lined the inside. Sorry about the glare. See, I took that double insulation foam and I duct taped the snot out of it. I'm gonna tape all up the edges, and like I said, I have a thermal blanket inside. This is more than enough for her. I can probably put 2 cats in here. Right, what I did was I taped around the edges. I got her this heating not a heating pad, it's like a pet pad, and it takes her body heat and like circulates it back to her. So this is gonna go on the bottom. It's actually, oh wow, that actually works out perfect. That works out perfect. That'll work out perfect for her. I also took some another piece and I duct taped it on the top. So this is gonna be perfect. You can add straw in here too for extra warmth, but I think she's gonna be okay because it's gonna be under a deck coming off my front porch, which I'm not gonna show you, but that I'm gonna tape this all together and I'll set it up. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's the Feral Cat winter house made out of a tote. It's all duct taped, sealed. There's insulation in there, like I said. And then I got this cat bed from Amazon, a regenerator heat. So where I'm putting it is, she should be good. So hopefully this keeps Miss Kitty warm. And oh, let's oh, must have to do something. Let's make it official. All right, yeah, it's official. It's our house. What Miss Kitty is she's calico and white. Let me see if I can get a picture of her. I believe she's a colony cat. Her ear is tipped. She's not mine, but we feed her and she hangs around. Let me see if I can get a picture of her. Like I said, she lives under my deck. Oh, you can see her. Yeah, she's running. All right, I'm gonna go put her house back. So I'm gonna set up her house for her. All right, so yeah, sorry about the video if it was a little not crappy, but it's cold out here, it's windy, so I kind of try to do this the best way I can, fast way I can. Wish it was warmer out, and I wish I'd done this sooner, but like I said, it's nice and safe for her. This will help her. So when I put it under my deck, it's going to be against my house like that, so the wind shouldn't blow, so she should be good. All right, so thanks for watching, and I got this idea from other videos off of YouTube, so I figured I'd get it, you know, give it a try to help Miss Kitty out. All right, see you later. Bye.